Okay, I'm Robbie and this is Stephanie, and today we're going to make some mead in 5 minutes. What's the flavor?
Peppermint.
Alright, let's get to brewing.
Oh no,
But, where we at?
I'm down to 3.
Still, this is like a bowl full of sugar. So whenever it comes to fermenting, about 3 pounds.
Yeah, you can do this.
So a little over half. Yeah, you've got to always make sure that you've got an air gap through
Yeah.
the neck. Alright, yeah, that's about right. That's
See it?
3 pounds, that gives us 2. And bam. And if we're gonna overdo it, we still got that one. Alright, now we need the, here, you wanna pour this one or hold the funnel?
All the fun. I already know how I am. Little remnants of, whatever that is. Peppermint.
I have to lift the,
It's lifted.
okay.
Yeah.
We do that at the highest, because whenever the air starts to rise in there, it will displace all that.
And that's how we make peppermint mead.
Now for a taste. Oh. Wow. It is mead, and it is peppermint.
That is definitely peppermint. But it is a good kind of peppermint. It's almost like the, you can taste that it's the hard candy peppermint.
Yeah, I wouldn't say it's as strong as, say, like, what do you call it, schnapps?
Yeah, well, that's
You
what
don't-
I'm getting at. You can tell that it's the hard candy peppermint that we use, but it has the subtlety of the soft, round peppermint. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. Almost has that creaminess to it that's not really there. It's probably what that banana actually added to it.
And as you can see, it cleared up pretty good. It looked like strawberry milk through most of the fermentation. But it ends up pretty nicely. This has been chilling in the fridge. Putting it in the fridge for a little while will definitely help clarify it some as well.
Yes. And of course, as with any mead, any wine, the longer you let it age, the different taste you'll get all around. This right here is aged, what, about a week and a half or so?
Yeah, about that.
About that, and we're getting still a subtle peppermint taste. We're getting the actual strong mead flavor, and the longer that you do let it sit, I have found out you do get a stronger mead flavor without the peppermint actually cutting back.
Yes, this turned out nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Make sure whenever you're doing these, you use cheesecloth whenever you're filtering out, because anytime you use a solid, you want to filter it out. But these candies had a bunch of stuff that you don't want in your finished brew as well.
And we always find the cheesecloth to work best, much rather than like a strainer or even a fine hole strainer. This right here is the one thing that's going to be able to actually catch all of those particles that you don't want in your meat.